Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I grow my own leafy greens and herbs from home. So I start out with my hydroponic garden with the little pods. The seeds are inside, they grow into sprouts, and then the sprouts grow into plants. I absolutely love being able to cut my own herbs in my home when I'm ready to use them in the kitchen and have leafy greens for sandwiches, smoothies, and side salads throughout the week. So I highly recommend, if you can, please find a way to grow your own leafy greens and herbs from home. It's healthy, it's really affordable, and I love having everything so fresh. So over the years, I've definitely grown peppers and different types of leafy greens, different types of herbs. I've even tried growing some fruit, little mini strawberries, and I just love having the options and then creating these beautiful garden salads. So the pods I usually will use for 2 flushes. That's one growth cycle, and then I'll trim it, and then I'll do another growth cycle. This is the second one and will give me plenty of leafy greens and herbs. I usually tend to my garden about every 2 weeks, twice a month, and I make sure the tank has water and that it stays clean. But it's a very easy process and a great way to ensure that you always have fresh herbs and fresh leafy greens ready to go when you need them. I really enjoy my garden. I've had it for a couple of years now. I enjoy the process of tending to it. I love always having fresh herbs available to me, and you really do get used to the fresh leafy greens and the taste. You cannot buy that in the store. So I will leave a link below if you're interested. Here, I'm just rinsing off my leafy greens, making sure they're nice and clean before I put them in the salad spinner to dry them off, and then in the salad saver to keep it fresh. So I will be doing frequent garden updates, so like and follow for more if you want to see more of the growth process for a hydroponic garden and all of the amazing things that you can grow with one in your home. These make the best salads, and I really like having the fresh lettuce in my smoothies in the morning. So if you are able, I highly recommend getting a hydroponic garden. So I am spinning my salad to dry off the leaves. You want to make sure they're really dry, and then I will put them in my salad saver, and they will last up to 7 to 10 days pretty fresh. This is in no way a paid partnership. I just love my garden. So thanks for watching. See you next time.